Welcome! Today I'll show you how to disable Quick Launch into a Motorola Moto G60S. In the beginning, need to open your settings and find System option, this one. Then go into Gestures, and here we got Quickly Open Camera option. And now I got turn on this option, Quickly Open Camera, when you press twice on your power button. So to turn off this option, click here on the switcher, and now this option is turned off. So let's try. And camera isn't open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.